Yeah man, welcome back again to Carl's Kitchen, cooking with Carl. We're gonna cook some oxtail in the oven today. Show you if we cook oxtail in the oven. And a lot of people don't know if we cook oxtail in the oven, so I'm gonna show you how we put oxtail in the oven and make oxtail come out nice and pretty and nice and sweet, straight up in the oven. So like me have my oxtail ready, so I clean up already. Clean off all of the fat off it and wash it with some lime and vinegar and clean it off. You see me I say? And make it nice and clean. Then now I'm going to cut up some, season it up. Cut up some onion in it. Do some onion in it. We're going to do some, nice onion. We're going to cut up the season it up nice, you know. And then we're going to put it in the oven and show you how to just make it in the oven. Yeah, because, you know, once upon a time, I cook from Jamaica, we used to turn up our fire all day, I cook. You can do this thing in the oven same way and then come out nice and same way. Yeah, because you can crush the onion and then throw it in there. I like cut up the onion a little bit, you know. Put some onion and garlic in it and you know. Some garlic. And some thyme right there, so. Let's cut up some thyme. Right. Some thyme. Some scallion. Cut up some scallion. Right. You see, normally when we cook this on the stove, we brown it a little bit. So true, me can brown it first. I normally brown the oxtail first and then you cook it down. One scotch bonnet pepper. So just slice it so, yeah. And then take some browning. We get color, you know. Because we now brown it on the stove. So we put some browning in it. Not too much. I don't want to put too much in it. But you put some browning. And some meat seasoning, yeah. I put look like that night too. Yeah. You know what I mean? So the meat seasoning night. And me I write that so. All purpose. You understand? You know this. Meat seasoning, all purpose meat seasoning. Yeah. All purpose meat seasoning. Put that in it. So me I say you can buy it at the West Indian store wherever you want to buy that. All purpose. And me a man where when me a cook, me like to use my hand. So I just season that up. Rub in the seasoning there. Rub in the seasoning. Yeah, me use my hand and cook. Rub in the seasoning there. You see me I say like I have to brown it little because normally we brown this on the stove before we cook it down. When you cook on stove top, but you and at the oven where I do it. You want to get it, you want to put like a brown in night and get some color in it. You see me I say? So we're going to do it so. Yeah, season it up. And then season it up then now. See? Some you can use a spoon if you want, or a big spoon or a fork or so if you want. But me use my hand. Me like to use my hand and season thing. You find some my hand. Some people, people put on gloves. And rubbing the chicken, rubbing the meat. Sorry, not chicken, oxtail this. Rubbing the seasoning of the meat. But me like I cook with my hand. So when me cook, me rubbing everything with my hand. See me I say? I didn't need to lock it in like everybody say they don't want to get curry on them hand and them something. But I rub it in with my hand. And as you can see, you see the oxtail look nice and pretty already. It's not cooked yet. Yeah. Get the seasoning, the proper the seasoning rub in. And at the oven, I'm going to cook it in, so I'm going to show you how you can make it in the oven. See me I say? See it there? Yes, so now we have to season the meat. We're going to put it in the pot. I don't know, me have the iron pot them, the Jamaica iron pot them, but if you don't have an iron pot, you don't have to use it. You can use like a baking pan, like you know, you can where you bake chicken and cook chicken and them thing there. But me use my iron pot. So I'm going to now scrape out everything in the pot. In the iron pot. Then everything going on the iron pot. Get everything in the iron pot. Scrape out everything. See that? Scrape out everything. Now, I have a little water over so. Put a hot water in this. Look warm water. In this. You know, just to get all of that sauce out of it. Yeah. The thing is, you know, it's about create its own water already. So you just have to do. Yeah. You just have to just put that little water in it. You know what I mean? Get little water because you don't want it to stick on the bottom of the pot. You see me I say? Just a little water, about half a cup or a cup of water. Because after a while you have to go back and you have to stir it up and everything. So see? Look, you see little water on the bottom? I want to look like that nice. Because remember say, you know I use no oil no because I know where I make gravy after. If you put oil, I gotta just do oil because sometimes the oxtail have a bit of oil, too much oil. You kind of cut off most of the fat already, but sometimes I have too much oil. You see me I say? So, but I'm going to say if the oil come on it after, I'm going to skim it off and show you if you skim off. Like, sometimes you get some oil come on it. I will skim off the oil to make the gravy after. But right now, this is how you do. When you season that up, you put a little cup of water in it and thing. And then you put on the cover upon it. And we just dash that in the oven. Now we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put it in the oven. Like this, so, see? Oxtail in the oven. Boom. That's it. Then we got to about let's put it for about an hour. Within about 45 minutes you can check it. But I put my one pan broil at 550. But after 45 minutes you can go back and check it because you have to stir it and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir it after. I'm going to show you what it look like after in the middle of it. So I'll come back and we'll go back to that. Alright, thank you. Yes, so now we're back after 1 hour in the oven. Let's show our little pan. So now that's it. 1 hour in the oven. You have it. Some of it cooked. See? It cooked, look a bit. You know, it's not that soft, it's not that hard. It kind of cook, so we're going to start build with gravy now. You see that? You see how that look? We're going to start with gravy. We'll start with gravy. Yeah, I'm going to start with gravy now. So you see it cook? It's not done cook yet, but after an hour, that's what it look like. The oxtail in the pot in the oven. So I'm going to start with gravy now. I don't have too much oil in it because it kind of clean off most of the fat off it, so it's not too no oil in it. So I'm going to start with gravy now. So I'm going to cut up some tomato and a little more onion, you know. And I'm going to start making the gravy now. Put that knife. Okay, put that in there. Like that. Yeah. Make my gravy now. Some people put ketchup in it. I mean, I really like put ketchup in my thing, you know. Cut up some tomato, natural thing, and make my gravy like that. So me I say, and you see if you do, when you do it, so if you don't have enough water in it, since you're gonna make the gravy now, you can add a little water. But me I go add some water. The reason why me I go add a little water to it, I'll show you why. I'm gonna put a little more water in my one. The reason why I add a little water in it. Make sure you boil water. I always have my kettle pan stove or boil, so I use boiling water. You don't want to put cold water in a pot. Cold water not good in a pot. Reason why because I make them here. My kids them love spinach and I feed them oxtail. So if you want to put some spinach, you get some flour, put some salt, and knead the flour together. So me I go put some spinach in it for the pet them because my pet them love them spinach and oxtail. So I put some spinach. Spinach, you just go so, roll it down, roll it, and drop my pot. May I say, take a little piece of flour and roll it. Most people know what spinach is still, but I don't know. And drop them on the pot. Yeah. Roll them and drop them on the pot. Yeah, man, just make some spinach and drop in it, you know. Just roll them up and drop them in it. Let me put a little more water because them have to underwater what to boil. You see me I say? So I roll up some spinach. I do the gravy now. The gravy will come up nice and pretty, you know. So I'm going to do this I'm gonna put the spinach in it. And then once you put your spinach in it now, right? You stir it up. Make sure them go underneath the water in it. Yeah. And then once you do that, we're gonna do that, and then you just put it back. Put back the cover point and put it back in the oven for about maybe another 30 minutes or until the spinach them cook or You're gonna see the gravy form, but once we finish that, then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when we're done. So that's what we are talking about. You put some spinach in it and cut off some tomato. Like me say, some people had ketchup if they want. Me don't want to put no ketchup. I like use my tomato to make my gravy and some more, you know what I mean? Onion night and the gravy like that, you see me? So I hate that. When I come back, after I'm done with my gravy make, I'm going to show you what the oxtail in the oven look like. Alright? Sooner or later. Yeah man. Ready. Alright, so now we are make the gravy after 30 minutes. Now the oven, we're done. So that's what the oxtail look like. After 30 minutes of cooking at it. We're gonna do the gravy in 30 minutes. So here's the gravy. We do the gravy cook down, the gravy. That's it. See the oxtail in the oven cook. I'm gonna dish out some in our plate and show them. I'll show them what the oxtail look like. Come out of the oven. You understand me? Oven cooking, oxtail cooking in the oven look like. Yes, very simple, very easy, fast and easy. You see what I say? You can't mix that up if you want. I'm gonna rush no first. Oxtail done. Cook done. In the oven. Yeah. You show them the pretty picture of the oxtail, you know? Mm-hmm. Them see how nice that looking at the oven. Oxtail at the oven. Nice. See what I say? Yeah. That's oxtail in the oven. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just showing how it look on a plate. How pretty that oxtail look on in an oven is making in a make pan stove. Oven is showing how it started and how it will finish. I put some pan a plate here. Some rice and peas we make differently. See the oxtail there? Put a couple of the spinach them pan it. Them say they don't look at spinach them because them love the spinach, yeah. And at the oven oxtail this man. You can't tell the difference if a stove top or oven. You see me I say? Pretty like money. Watch that. Come show them it the babes. Show them the oxtail in the oven. Show them how we make oxtail in the oven. You see that nice? Yes, that's oxtail in the oven. No stove top thing. You see me start showing it from start to finish. How we make the oxtail in the oven. Some rice and peas on the side. And some salad. But at the oven oxtail that. You see me I say? Yes. Oxtail in the oven. Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Oxtail in the oven. Bless upon yourself. You don't know.